50 to 60% of all knowledge work is communication. But most people never get the opportunity to improve at it. That's why we are excited to announce coaching programs for communication. With coaching programs, it's easier than ever to build a continuous culture of communication practice and development, be it for sales, customer service, or leadership. For your service team, you can teach how to de-escalate and handle difficult situations. For sales, you can teach how to handle objections and close. For leadership, you can teach how to show empathy at work and give difficult feedback. Here's a quick demo. Section. All you need to do is come to the new button, click on Create Program, and give it a title. So we want this training program to run for the entire year. What's our program goal? Customers. We would select the leadership use case because it's an internal training. Select any areas that you want to focus on. We want to train the team on improving communication, feedback, change, difficult conversations, and those 4. So click continue, and then you can just set the start date, end date. We want it to end at the end of the year. Delivery time 9 a.m. is fine. Weekly, yes, is fine. And then continue. At this point, we just select all those we want to take the training. Select all, continue, and that's it. And then I can just set up the program. The big idea behind this is setting up recurring training practice sessions when it comes to communication, and then having a way to monitor the participation of those training sessions within the business. This is a step forward in driving adoption of training within businesses and providing visibility into what's going on across those interactions. Thanks.